Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Roblox Studio, open it and sign into the same account that currently shows beta behavior. Once inside, go straight to File then Settings or click the gear icon so you can access Studio settings. You need to find the beta features section. It's a separate pane listing experimental toggles. Begin by scanning that list for any checked boxes. These are the features you will turn off. Do this now so you can make precise, controlled changes. Once you're in beta features, systematically uncheck every experimental toggle you don't want. Don't guess. Read each label so you disable the right behavior. After adjusting the toggles, click Apply or Save inside the settings window so Studio records the change. Then close Roblox Studio fully. A complete exit is required to flush the old runtime flags. If Studio prompts to restart, accept. Otherwise, manually relaunch the application so it loads with the new, non-beta. After relaunching, verify the beta features list. Make sure the boxes remain unchecked and test the behavior you wanted to remove. If the beta options reappear, sign out of Studio, clear the Studio cache, close Studio, delete local settings folder, and sign back in. Reinstall Roblox Studio only if needed. One key troubleshooting tip. Check your Roblox account settings on the website for any account-wide beta flags and turn those off. Then restart Studio to ensure the change takes effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.